Hello you all, it's Maaike and it's time for a new video. And today it's time for a tutorial and we are going to make this super easy but fun gift bag. And maybe you already recognize it, but it's exactly the same than the little backpack I've made 3 weeks ago with the Doodlebug Lots of Loves collection. And already when I was filming that video, I was saying, oh, you could easily make this into a really cute gift bag. So, well, here you go. This is it. It's almost the same as the gift bag, but without the lid, without the pockets on the side. So it's really simple, but so cute. I really love it. And as you can see, I've used the die over here. It's this one from KS Craft. It comes with the XOXO album. But yeah, if you don't have it, you can use something else. It's just whatever you want to make a closure. It really doesn't matter. But I thought this was so pretty. And since there are I've seen a few ladies online who are playing with new KS Craft. And it's almost the same gift bag. So also with this, I thought, I can do it by myself. So this is what we're going to make. All the measurements you will find in the description box, of course. But I also will let you know what the sizes are. And the fun part of this tutorial is that you can use one sheet of 12 by 12 paper. So it's almost a one sheet wonder. And you can make the bottom, the front and the back, and the both two sides of one sheet 12 by 12. So that's super much fun. So well, here we go. And please, if you have some questions, you always can ask. And I think it will follow because it's really easy. And we are going to start to make these front and back panels. It's just a paper. You will need 4 1/4 by 6 both times. That's it, no score lines. So first step is really easy. Then we need the sides. It's 4 by 6. And all you have to do is make a score line on the 4-inch mark at 1/2 inch and 3 1/2 inch. So just over here, 1/2 inch, 3 1/2. And because it's a little gift bag, it's so easy to do it like this. It's more fitted for a gift bag. So you also have to make a score line in the middle of this paper. And that you can do at 2 inch, but please, you can eyeball it, but you have to make a score line about till 2 1/2, for example. So you only get over here a score line. You don't need it all the way down. You can, but it's not really necessary. So 1/2 inch, 3 1/2 inch, and in the middle at 2 inch a score line up till 2 1/2. And that of course you will do on both sides. I already did. Then we just have left the bottom. And I've used the same paper, but of course you can use regular cardstock, just whatever you want. And you will need a paper that measures 4 by 5 1/4. Yeah, quarter. And then you have to score on all 4 sides on 1/2 inch. So really simple. And I already attached some tape on the score lines. And all we have to do, or you have to do, I already did it also, is to make incisions. It's like a pinwheel, so it's always going to be like this. So, and normally I make wedges on those little flaps, but because this is the bottom, I don't think I will need wedges. I see I forgot a little piece of tape, so I am adhering it. But yeah, It's just whatever you want, of course. And we are going to start to assemble this bottom. And as I said before, it's really easy. And I've used some tape. Normally I would use 1/2 inch tape, but I don't have it anymore. But if you want, you can use glue. It's just whatever you prefer. I'm getting rid of all the tape. And to make sure the tape is really yeah, strong to my paper, I don't to be sure this tape will stick to your paper. I always do this so so it sticks. Sorry. Here you go. Well, and I can assure you, this is the most time consuming part of the tutorial. All those plastic. So, well, all you have to do is put it together. Well, and you can see, normally I've made a wedge, but yeah, don't really think this is necessary. But if you want, of course, do it. It's Sunday, so maybe I'm lazy, I don't know. But yeah, this is the bottom of our really cute gift bag. Then we are going to glue the sides of the gift bag. So it's again really simple. You already have some glue over here. So all you have to do is make sure it's even. You've got the right, yes, something like this. Well, I told you, really easy. But isn't this paper super cute? It's the new True Colors collection from Simple Stories. But oh, it's so beautiful, so much spring. Really love it. Then we'll do the other side as well. And you see the score line. And you can fold it now before adding it to this back to the bottom. Or you just score when it's attached to the bottom. It really doesn't matter. Look, you can do it like this. But also, you can do it now. So, there we go. So, make sure it's perfect. So, now we've got both of the sides already. And now you can see it's almost this little cute bag. Look, here you go. This I didn't do quite well. Okay. Then we are going to attach the front and the front and the back. Let's get rid of this tape. And all you have to do is place it at the bottom. And make sure it's even. I always think it's a little bit tricky. And also make sure it's the same line as the, so over here. Well, you can see I've made a little mistake, but well, we turn it and we don't see it anymore. It's the back. Maybe if I do it like this, it will be more fitted. I have used some glue because it's quicker and sturdier. But when you, of tape, I mean, but when you use glue, then you can easily fix it. And with tape, that's another story. But yeah, I've chosen to use tape, so my bad. Here you go. Then we are going to do it over here. Yeah, look, this is better. Look, so cute. With my bone folder, I'm going to make sure all the tape is attached to the paper. Yeah. Look, how cute. Super, super pretty. I really love this, and it's so easy. It's so, yeah, it's easy. I can't say anything else. And here you go. With some trim you can make the closure. I thought this green was so pretty as a closure, but it's a short piece of trim. And now you don't see the green trim. Well, okay, we all know what I'm doing. But yeah, okay, that doesn't work for now. But look at this, super easy, so much fun. I will make it more beautiful, but you will see it of course later. But yeah, on my Instagram you can see what the end result is. So thank you for watching, see you the next time, and please let me know what you think of it. Thank you, happy Sunday, bye bye.